A significant chapter in the history of Chinese tea is the Tang Dynasty, largely due to the influence of Lu Yu's classic of tea, which elevated the practice of tea drinking. This period is often regarded as a pinnacle of cultural and artistic achievement, making it understandable that Lu Yu's work gained great popularity during this era. Classic of Tea, the earliest known book on tea, discusses topics like tea cultivation, processing, appreciation, brewing techniques, and the proper use of tea sets. After the tea leaves are picked, they go through several steps: steaming, crushing, pressing, roasting, threading, and sealing, resulting in a finished tea cake. By the time of the Song Dynasty, most teas were made in cake form. To brew, a small piece of the tea cake was burned, then crushed into a powder for infusion. When the tea began to boil, salt was added. This process is certainly not how we prepare tea today. This marked the transition of tea from a medicinal beverage to a daily cultural drink. The way we brew tea today is quite different from the practices during the Tang Dynasty. The current method of brewing tea began less than 700 years ago during the Ming Dynasty. This period marked a significant change in Chinese tea culture as tea became a staple in most households, rather than just something for the wealthy and royal. The founding emperor Zhu Yuanzhang made an important decision by ending the production of compressed cake tea and encouraging the use of loose leaf tea instead, making tea drinking simpler and more accessible for everyone.